In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to move text along a path in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 51 of 365. Let's start by creating our text layer, text along path. And we have to create the path. So press G to grab the pen tool and click and drag to create the path you want. And let's adjust it, selecting the selection tool with V. And now you can move this, holding Alt to move path points. So we have the path created. Now open the layer, go to text and open path options. Select here mask 1. And now you have your text on your path. So if you want to make the text to be upside down, you have to check this option, reverse path, and it will be in the other way. So to move this, we are going to animate the first margin. So make a keyframe, move this to one side of the screen. Now go forward and move it to the other side, like here. And we already have our text along path animated. If you want to separate the characters, the letters, you can go here to animate and select tracking. And here you can just increase the tracking amount, or you can bring them closer if you want. That's all for today's tutorial. You can download this project file in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!